किसके कहने पर तुमने उससे झगड़ा मोल लिया? At whose behest did you pick a fight with him? At whose behest did you pick a fight with him? किसके कहने पर तुमने ये रास्ता चुना? At whose behest did you choose this path? At whose behest did you choose this path? मना करने के बावजूद तुम बार बार यही करते हो. Despite the refusal, you do it again and again. Despite the refusal, you do it again and again. उसे सबक सिखाना ज़रूरी है. He must be taught a lesson. He must be taught a lesson. इस बार तुमने उसे अच्छा सबक सिखाया. This time you taught him a good lesson. This time you taught him a good lesson. मेरा कोई अपना ही मेरी मदद करेगा. One of my own will help me. One of my own will help me. मेरे मना करने के बावजूद वो वहाँ गया. Despite my refusal, he went there. Despite my refusal, he went there. उनके किसी अपने ने ही उनके घर से चोरी की है. One of their own stole from their house. One of their own stole from their house. क्या मैंने ये नहीं कहा था कि मैं तुम्हारे कहे अनुसार चलूँगा? Didn't I say that I would do as you say? Didn't I say that I would do as you say? उसके किसी अपने ने ही उसकी शिकायत कर दी. One of his own complained against him. One of his own complained against him. क्या उसने यह नहीं कहा था कि वह पढ़ाई छोड़ देगा? Didn't he say that he would quit studies? Didn't he say that he would quit studies? पूरे दिन यहाँ बैठने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. It is no use sitting here all day long. It is no use sitting here all day long. दिन भर तुम करते ही क्या हो? What do you do all day long? What do you do all day long? काफ़ी समय पहले वे लोग दिल्ली रहा करते थे. Way back they used to live in Delhi. Way back they used to live in Delhi. एक तरफ से उसकी बात सही है. In a way he is right. In a way he is right. पूरे दिन तुम सोते हो. You just sleep all day long. You just sleep all day long. एक तरीके से हमारा वहाँ जाना ठीक नहीं है. In a way it's not right for us to go there. In a way it's not right for us to go there. बहुत पहले यहाँ खेत ही खेत थे. Way back there was nothing but fields here. Way back there was nothing but fields here. कुछ हद तक हम दोनों एक जैसे हैं. In some sense we both are alike. In some sense we both are alike. वह 24 घंटे मुझे परेशान करता है. He bother me round the clock. He bother me round the clock. कभी 24 घंटे काम करके देखना, तब तुम्हें पता चलेगा. Try working 24/7, then you will know. Try working 24/7, then you will know. तुम कितने दिन की छुट्टी ले सकते हो? How many days off you can take? How many days off you can take? ज़रूर उसने उससे मेरी शिकायत की होगी. He must have complained about me to him. He must have complained about me to him. मुझे अच्छी तरह याद है तुमने उस दिन किस किस को बुलाया था. I distinctly remember whom all you invited that day. ज़रूर हमसे कोई गलती हुई होगी. We must have made a mistake. We must have made a mistake. मुझे साफ तौर पे याद है कि उसने हरे रंग का सूट पहना था. I distinctly remember that she was wearing a green suit. I distinctly remember that she was wearing a green suit. ज़रूर तुमने कुछ कहा होगा. You must have said something. You must have said something. मैं यहाँ आते आते खो गया था। आई गॉट लॉस्ट वाइल कमिंग हियर। आई गॉट लॉस्ट वाइल कमिंग हियर। मेरी बात किसी ने नहीं सुनी। नोबडी लिसन्ड टू मी। मेरी बात किसी ने नहीं सुनी। नोबडी लिसन्ड टू मी। वो कतार में खड़ा था और अचानक कीचड़ में गिर गया। He was standing in the queue and suddenly he fell in the mud. माफ़ करें, मुझे आने में थोड़ा समय लग गया। Sorry, I am late. Sorry, I am late. क्या आपको बाइक चलानी नहीं आती? Don't you know how to ride a bike? Don't you know how to ride a bike? क्या तुम्हें कम सुनाई देता है? Are you hard of hearing? क्या तुम्हें कम सुनाई देता है? Are you hard of hearing? मैं अपने छोटे भाई को शर्ट पहना रहा हूँ। I am making my younger brother wear the shirt. I am making my younger brother wear the shirt. आप एक बार मुझे बता सकते थे। You could have informed me once. You could have informed me once. कितनी पुरानी बात लगती है। It seems to be a long way back. It seems to be a long way back. तुम वहाँ कर क्या रहे थे? What were you doing there? तुम वहाँ कर क्या रहे थे? What were you doing there? मुझे बैठने के लिए कुर्सी दो। Give me a chair to sit on. Give me a chair to sit on. हमारे पास अहंकार नहीं होना चाहिए। We should not have an ego. We should not have an ego. उसे देखते ही मुझे ख्याल आया कि मैंने उसे पहले भी कहीं देखा है। The moment I saw him, I thought that I had already seen him somewhere. तुमने किताब उल्टी पकड़ रखी है। You have held the book upside down. You have held the book upside down. उसे क्या कहना है? What is he to say? उसे क्या कहना है? What is he to say? आपका स्वभाव और व्यवहार काफ़ी हद तक आपकी परवरिश पर निर्भर करता है। Your nature and behavior largely depend on your upbringing. मैं बहुत पढ़ता था ताकि अच्छे नंबर ला पाऊँ। I used to study a lot so as to score good marks. तुम्हारी तनख्वाह कब मिलती है? When do you receive the salary? When do you receive the salary? मैं उससे पहले कभी नहीं मिला हूँ। I have never met him before. I have never met him before. ये आपके बच्चे के लिए अनुकूल माहौल नहीं है। This is not a conducive environment for your child. This is not a conducive environment for your child. तुम्हें उससे ऐसा बर्ताव नहीं करना चाहिए था। You should not have behaved like this with him. You should not have behaved like this with him. मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है। Hard work pays. मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है। Hard work pays. जब मैंने उसे पीटा तब वह गाली देने लगा। When I beat him, he began to abuse me. When I beat him, he began to abuse me. जब मैच खत्म हुआ तब सभी लोग स्टेडियम से बाहर चले गए। When the match finished, all the people went out of the stadium. मेरा ज़मीर इजाज़त नहीं देता। My conscience doesn't permit. My conscience doesn't permit. तुम फ़ोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे थे? Why were you not picking up the phone? Why were you not picking up the phone? तुम्हारे सोने से पहले मैं घर आ चुका हूँगा। I will have come home before you sleep. I will have come home before you sleep. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में हर एक बात जानता हूँ। I know every ins and outs about you. I know every ins and outs about you. क्या मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल करूं? Shall I call you after some time? Shall I call you after some time? तुमने फालतू में उससे पंगा लिया। You messed with him for no reason. You messed with him for no reason. तुम्हें तैयार होने में कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take you to get ready? How long will it take you to get ready? तुम किस गलतफहमी में जी रहे हो? Which misconception are you living in? Which misconception are you living in? ख्याली पुलाव मत बनाओ. Don't make castles in the air. Don't make castles in the air. तुम हर किसी को खुश नहीं कर सकते. You can't make everyone happy. You can't make everyone happy. इस बात को ज़्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ाकर मत बोलो. Don't blow this out of proportion. Don't blow this out of proportion. अगर ऐसा है तो मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ जाऊंगा. If that's the case, I will go with you too. If that's the case, I will go with you too. मुझे तुम्हारी यही बात नहीं पसंद है. I don't like your this attitude. I don't like your this attitude. ये मुझे समझदारी की बात नहीं लगती. This doesn't seem rational to me. This doesn't seem rational to me. वह रातों रात अमीर बन गया. He become rich overnight. He become rich overnight. मुझे पहले कभी इतना मज़ा नहीं आया. I have never had so much fun before. I have never had so much fun before. मेरी उससे कभी कभार मुलाकात होती है. I meet him occasionally. I meet him occasionally. मेरा उससे मिलना बस एक इत्तेफाक था. It was just a coincidence that I met him. It was just a coincidence that I met him. मुंह ढककर खांसी करो. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. सड़क पर मरम्मत चल रही है. The road is under repairing. The road is under repairing. उसके बारे में बात मत करो. Don't talk about him. उसके बारे में बात मत करो. Don't talk about him. मोबाइल तकिए के नीचे है. The mobile is beneath the pillow. मोबाइल तकिए के नीचे है. The mobile is beneath the pillow. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It is beyond my capacity. It is beyond my capacity. तुम्हें तो खांसी हो गई है. You have got cough. तुम्हें तो खांसी हो गई है. You have got cough. वो मेरे खिलाफ उसे भड़का रहा है. He is provoking him against me. He is provoking him against me. आजकल स्वार्थ का ज़माना है. Selfishness is common these days. Selfishness is common these days. ट्रेन किस समय छूटती है? When does the train leave? ट्रेन किस समय छूटती है? When does the train leave? उसने मुझे साफ मना कर दिया. He gave me a flat refusal. He gave me a flat refusal. तुम दिन रात उन्नति करो, यही मेरी दुआ है. I wish may God succeed you by leaps and bounds. I wish may God succeed you by leaps and bounds. वो मेरे पीछे पीछे फिर रहा है. He is running after me. वो मेरे पीछे पीछे फिर रहा है. He is running after me. मैं आप पर अपनी इच्छा नहीं थोप सकता. I can't impose my will on you. I can't impose my will on you. तुम बहुत ज़िद्दी हो गए हो. You have become very obstinate. You have become very obstinate. उसने मैच में बहुत ज़बरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस दी. He had an incredible performance in the match. He had an incredible performance in the match. जितनी भूख हो उतना ही खाना. Eat as per your appetite. Eat as per your appetite. उसने सारी ज़मीन अपने अधिकार में ले ली. He acquired the whole land. He acquired the whole land. इस दवाई ने मेरा दर्द कम कर दिया. This medicine lessened my pain. This medicine lessened my pain. वो किसी भी बात को लंबा करके बताता है. He elongates his talks. He elongates his talks. इस झंडे को यहाँ गाड़ना है. This flag is to be dug here. This flag is to be dug here. ऐसा फिर कभी मत करना. Don't ever do it again. ऐसा फिर कभी मत करना. Don't ever do it again. मुझे उसके बारे में कल ही पता चला. I got to know about her yesterday itself. I got to know about her yesterday itself. अपने भाषण को लंबा मत खींचो. Don't elongate your speech. Don't elongate your speech. उसकी बातों ने मुझे हिम्मत दी. His words strengthened me. His words strengthened me. थोड़ी देर के लिए मेरे साथ रहो. Stay with me for a while. Stay with me for a while. यहाँ सिगरेट पीने वाले काफ़ी हैं. Cigarette smoking is prevalent here. Cigarette smoking is prevalent here. इस शहर में इंग्लिश काफ़ी बोली जाती है. English speaking is prevalent in this city. English speaking is prevalent in this city. ये सब उसकी चाल है तुम्हें फंसाने की. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. अपने परिवार का ध्यान रखो. Take care of your family. Take care of your family. वो ठंड से काँप रहा था. He was shivering with cold. He was shivering with cold. मेरे पैसे 1 साल में ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. My money would run out in a year. My money would run out in a year. तुम प्रतिदिन कितनी देर पढ़ते हो? How much time do you read every day? How much time do you read every day? समय बहुत जल्दी बीत जाता है. Time runs out very quickly. Time runs out very quickly. मुझसे गोलमाल बातें मत करो. Don't talk clever with me. Don't talk clever with me. तुम वहाँ कितने दिन रुकोगे? How many days will you stay there? तुम वहाँ कितने दिन रुकोगे? How many days will you stay there? मैं तुम्हारी सूरत तक नहीं देखना चाहता. I don't want to even see your face. I don't want to even see your face. वह फिसलकर गिर गया. He slipped and fell down. He slipped and fell down. मैंने तुम्हारी सिफारिश कर दी है. I have recommended you. मैंने तुम्हारी सिफारिश कर दी है. I have recommended you. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think so. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think so. मुझे मिलना जुलना पसंद है. I like socializing. मुझे मिलना जुलना पसंद है. I like socializing. कोई भी कपड़ा उसे फिट नहीं हुआ. Neither dress fitted her. Neither dress fitted her. तुम्हें बस बात बात पर लड़ना झगड़ना आता है. You only know how to squabble over trivial matters. You only know how to squabble over trivial matters. ऐसे भी क्या बिजी हो तुम? What is that which keeps you so busy? What is that which keeps you so busy? मेरा कल का दिन थकान भरा था. I have had a grueling day yesterday. I have had a grueling day yesterday. आखिरकार उसने मेरी बात समझ ही ली. Finally, he understood my point. Finally, he understood my point. वह नेता बना फिरता है. He poses for a politician. वह नेता बना फिरता है. He poses for a politician. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4 दिन लगेगा. It will take 4 days at the most. It will take 4 days at the most. वह आजकल पैसे कमाने के धुन में रहता है. He is obsessed with earning money nowadays. He is obsessed with earning money nowadays. लंबी आस्तीन वाली ड्रेस पहनो. Put on a dress with a long sleeves. Put on a dress with a long sleeves. गीला तौलिया बिस्तर पर मत रखो. Do not put wet towel on the bed. Do not put wet towel on the bed. जल्दी सोने की आदत डालो. Develop the habit of sleeping early. Develop the habit of sleeping early. जब मैं तुम्हारी उम्र का था मैं हर रोज़ 4 घंटे पढ़ाई किया करता था. When I was at your age, I used to study every day for 4 hours. When I was at your age, I used to study every day for 4 hours. आगे से मैं तुम्हारी मदद नहीं करूँगा. As of now, I won't help you. As of now, I won't help you. तुम्हारी बातों में आकर उसने यह गलती कर दी. She made this mistake being trapped in your story. She made this mistake being trapped in your story. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वह मुझसे गुस्सा हो जाएगी. At the most, she will get angry with me. At the most, she will get angry with me. अब जो है सो है, हमें इससे काम चलाना पड़ेगा. It is what it is. We will have to manage with it. It is what it is. We will have to manage with it. देखते देखते भीड़ लग गई. A crowd gathered within a few seconds. देखते देखते भीड़ लग गई. A crowd gathered within a few seconds. तुम इसे बिगाड़ दोगे. जैसा है वैसा छोड़ दो. You will spoil it. Leave it as it is. You will spoil it. Leave it as it is. चलो मान लेते हैं कि वह झूठ बोल रही है, पर सच क्या है? Let's say that she is telling a lie, but what is the fact? Let's say that she is telling a lie, but what is the fact? यह कोई तरीका नहीं है बड़ों से बात करने का. This is not the way to interact with your elders. This is not the way to interact with your elders. मुझे इस मामले में मत घसीटो. Do not drag me into this matter. Do not drag me into this matter. चिंता करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Worrying is not going to help you. Worrying is not going to help you. आपका कितना पैसा मेरे पास बाकी है? How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? आज उसका सच्चा स्वरूप सामने आ गया. Today he has come out in his true colors. Today he has come out in his true colors. यह ग्लास जूठी है. This is a used glass. यह ग्लास जूठी है. This is a used glass. मेरे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं है. I have no alternative. मेरे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं है. I have no alternative. वह घर का कामकाज कर रही थी. She was doing household chores. She was doing household chores. उसने मुझे पैसे नहीं दिया, उल्टा मैंने उसे पैसा दिया. He didn't give me money. On the contrary, I gave him money. He didn't give me money. On the contrary, I gave him money. पानी के लिए हाहाकार मचा हुआ था। There was an outcry for water. There was an outcry for water. समझदार को इशारा ही काफ़ी होता है। A word to wise is enough. A word to wise is enough. मेरे आगे लाइन में 3 लोग खड़े थे। There were 3 people standing ahead of me in the queue. There were 3 people standing ahead of me in the queue. आइंदा से वह इस तरह से नहीं बोलेगा। As of now, he won't speak like this. As of now, he won't speak like this. छुट्टियों के दौरान मैं दिल्ली में था। I was in Delhi during the vacation. I was in Delhi during the vacation. हम सोमवार तक ठहरे। We stayed till Monday. हम सोमवार तक ठहरे। We stayed till Monday. तुम्हारी खराब हालत की वजह तुम्हारी आलसीपन है। Your bad condition is down to your laziness. Your bad condition is down to your laziness. मैंने पढ़ाई के दौरान नौकरी की। I worked during studies. I worked during studies. मैं उसे परेशान नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बल्कि वह मुझे परेशान कर रहा है। I am not bothering her. On the contrary, she is bothering me. I am not bothering her. On the contrary, she is bothering me. कोई भी ऐसा अपमान सहन नहीं कर सकता। Nobody can bear such an insult. Nobody can bear such an insult. तुमने अपने भविष्य के लिए क्या सोचा है? What have you planned for your career? What have you planned for your career? इसमें खास बात क्या है? What's so special in it? इसमें खास बात क्या है? What's so special in it? वो 2 दिन में ही वापस आ गया है। He has come back within just 2 days. He has come back within just 2 days. तुम्हारे अलावा मैं किसी को भी डांट सकता हूँ। I can scold anyone except you. I can scold anyone except you. 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात। It's a 9 days wonder. It's a 9 days wonder. यह दुकान रविवार को छोड़कर सभी दिन खुलती है। This shop opens every day except Sunday. This shop opens every day except Sunday. उसका भाषण मेरे सिर के ऊपर से गया। His lecture passed over my head. His lecture passed over my head. ये कपड़ा घटिया क्वालिटी का है। The quality of this cloth is inferior. The quality of this cloth is inferior. मुझे भी उसके लिए उतना ही बुरा लग रहा है। I am equally feeling bad for him. I am equally feeling bad for him. मुझे आपकी बात अच्छी लगी। I found your point interesting. I found your point interesting. ये मत सोचना कि तुम में कोई कमी है। Don't think you are less. Don't think you are less. आप तो बिना वजह मुझसे नाराज़ हो रहे हैं। You are getting cross with me for nothing. You are getting cross with me for nothing. क्या कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? Wasn't that too much? क्या कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? Wasn't that too much? वह किताबी कीड़ा है। He is a bookworm. वह किताबी कीड़ा है। He is a bookworm. कोई नहीं बचेगा। No one will be spared. कोई नहीं बचेगा। No one will be spared.